In this video, I'm going to discuss about position vector and displacement vector and the separation vector. Let's say that we have a point P. So this point P has coordinates of x, y, and z in Cartesian coordinate system. So I'm going to draw this point in the Cartesian coordinate system. So this is my Cartesian coordinate system. This is y-axis and this is z-axis and this is x-axis. So I'm going to locate this point in the Cartesian coordinate system. So I have this P point here. So this has x, y, z coordinates. So now this O represents the origin of this Cartesian coordinate system. That means this have 0, 0, 0 coordinates. So right now I'm going to draw the vector here, vector from the 0, 0, 0 to the x, y, z coordinate. So we have this. I'm going to use another color here. So this is my vector. So this vector can be written as R. See, this OP vector. Okay, now this R vector can be written in terms of this position coordinates, and this is x. So we have x coordinate in the direction of x hat direction, and we have y hat direction. These are unit vectors actually. So we can present R vector in terms of x hat and y hat and z hat. So this have x hat and y hat and z hat. So this is my position vector. So right now I'm going to define a unit vector along R direction. So I'm going to define a unit vector along R direction. So I'm going to have this basic definition. When you are finding the unit vector of a vector, that means you will have to divide the vector with the magnitude of this vector. So that means you have to divide the R vector with the magnitude of it. So you have to find the magnitude of this R vector. What is the magnitude of the R vector? So that is going to be square root of x squared plus y squared plus z squared. So now you know that this can be written as R squared. So that means that you will get R. So now you can define the R vector in terms of R and R hat. So now you have R vector, and now you know that there is a R hat vector. So the magnitude of this R vector is equals to R. So right now you have this relationship between the R vector and the R hat. So this is called the displacement vector, and previously with the xyz in the R, we called it as position vector. So we call it as position vector. Okay, now I'm going to get a relationship for the separation vector. So to do that, I have my P position P. Now I'm going to take another point. So let's say that this point is S. So now we have OS vector here. So let's say the position of this S point is going to have x dash, y dash, and z dash coordinates. So I'm going to take the OS vector as R hat r dash vector. So we have 2 points here. We have point P and point S. So now I'm going to draw the separation vector of the S and P points. So I'm going to use the yellow color to represent the SP vector. So SP vector, that is the separation vector actually. So now you can write this r dash vector as x dash x hat plus y dash y hat and z dash z hat. So now we have our vector is going to be x dash, sorry, x hat, y hat and z hat. So now you know that from this triangles, this is actually forms a vector triangle. So from basic knowledge, for the vector knowledge, you can say that OP is equals OS plus SP. So now you know that OP represents R vector, so you can say that R vector is equals OS means that you have R dash vector, and you need to find the SP vector, that is called the separation vector. So this is called the separation vector. So you know that SP, you can find the SP vector by getting the difference between R and R dash vectors. So now you know that we have x minus x dash x hat, y minus y dash y hat, and z minus z dash z hat. So this is my separation vector. So this vector is called the separation vector. Okay, if I'm going to find the magnitude of this separation vector, let's say that SP is equals to the R double dash vector. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the magnitude of this separation vector. So if you take a look at this is going to be R minus R dash vectors, the magnitude of the R minus R dash vector, the difference between R and R dash vectors. So these are the things that you need to know about position vector and displacement vector and the separation vector. So I think I hope you all understand about this position and displacement and separation vectors. So I'm going to move to the next part in the next video. So I hope to meet you in the next video.